Hey succulent plant lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transplant aloe vera pups into their own containers, the right way, so they grow strong, healthy, and thrive on their own. If your aloe is producing pups, that means it's super happy. Now let's give those babies a new home. Aloe vera needs excellent drainage, so choose pots with at least one drainage hole. Clay pots are great because they help the soil dry faster. 3-inch plastic pots will be good too. Fill each pot with a well-draining mix. That's cactus soil plus a little perlite or coarse sand. This prevents root rot and keeps your aloe pups happy. A single healthy and mature aloe vera plant can produce many pups, which are little baby plants that grow from the main plant. Using a hand shovel, carefully separate the baby aloe plants from their mother plant. It is important to take your time during this process so that you do not break their delicate roots. These roots are very sensitive and can be easily damaged. By being gentle, you will help ensure that the baby plants can grow strong and healthy. Remember to work slowly and pay close attention to how you are moving the soil around them. This will help protect the little plants as you transfer them. Now take a good look at the pups. A pup is ready to be moved to a new pot when it has developed its own roots and is at least 1/3 the size of the mother plant. This means that the pup should be growing strong enough to survive on its own. It's important to check that each pup has a good root system. The more roots a pup has, the faster it will adapt to its new home. So always make sure to look for a good number of roots before you decide to transplant a pup. Create a small hole in the center of each pot. Place your aloe pup inside and gently spread its roots. Add soil around it and lightly press to stabilize the plant, but don't pack the soil too tightly. Aloes like airy soil. Make sure the pup is sitting upright. If you notice that it is leaning to one side, you can add a little extra soil around the base of the aloe pup. This will help give it the support it needs to stand straight and grow strong. Keep doing this same process until you have moved all of your new aloe plants to their new pots. Make sure you handle each plant carefully so that they don't get hurt during the transplanting. Take your time to ensure that each aloe plant is placed properly in its new home, so they can grow healthy and strong. You can keep some plant for yourself and offer some to your friends, as you will end up with many new aloe plants. Aloe vera is a succulent. It stores water, so don't drown these babies. Give just a light watering after planting, or even wait 2-3 days before watering to allow any cut areas to callus. For the next few weeks, keep them in bright indirect sunlight, water only when the soil is completely dry, avoid fertilizing until the pups are well established. They may look a little stressed the first week, but that's normal. They'll perk up once the roots settle. And that's it. Your aloe pups are now in their own cozy homes and ready to grow into full healthy plants. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with another plant lover. Happy gardening!